Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5 using application. You have to start by open EDIFIER CONNECTS app, and of course you need to add these headphones to the application. Then go to the settings at the right top. And right here at the bottom we have factory settings. Tap at this line and then tap at the slider near to it. Then confirm. And after that we need to reconnect these headphones with your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list tap at the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, and if you have iOS, just or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back, return here, and after factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you can just tap on it. As the device list, you don't need to use Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. And now we reconnect it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!